everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is inspired by the neon green trend that is so hot right now. Spring has sprung and neon is in. I am so into the neon trend now. Look at it, it's so vibrant. If you are a girl who wants to do her own nails but want it to look as good as when a pro does it, keep watching. I always want my nails to fit the outfit of the day, the look that I'm going for. I see them as a great expressive accessory, so I want them to, fit the outfit that I'm going for. And whenever I get my nails done, I feel like, yay, I'm popping. But then after like a week or so, I get bored of them and want another set of nails. I'm sure I'm not the only one feeling this way. But then I find myself going back to the nail salon in a week or 2 weeks interval, which was costly, and I have to do something about it. So I started doing my own gel nails at home, DIYing it by myself. And that way I get to do my own nails and get creative in the process and learn the process. And today's tutorial is all about how I do my own nails, how I do my own gel overlays. But because of the knowledge and through the time I've been doing it, I've accumulated some pro tips for you guys. Hope you will enjoy the video and comment down below any thoughts you have, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll leave you to the tutorial right now. As you can see, I have already done my nail prep and have built the nails. So the thing is, once a month I go get my nails filled, but I don't get gel overlays on them. This nail shape is called almond nail shape and it looks like a petal and I am loving it. These are built using polygel. I've never gotten like acrylic nails. I always get hard gel nails and polygel nails. So this is like my canvas. So now let's draw my canvas. First, I wipe my nails using gelish nail surface cleaner using a cotton swab. It is actually advisable to use lint-free wipes, but I don't have them. I ran out of them, so I'm compromising here. So if you don't have a lint-free wipe, compromise. When doing my nails, I don't like to mix different brands because I believe a product is meant to work its ultimate with its sister product in the same line. So today I'm sticking with gelish brand, which I adore. The second step is using the pH bond, which is a nail dehydrator. I wipe my nails using it. This will eliminate any oils that might interfere with this procedure. Now we use a Pro Bond on the nails, and when putting the Pro Bond, which is a nail primer in the gelish band, we shouldn't use too much of it because we don't want to soak down into our cuticle and cause irritation in the long run. Pro Bond is the key product that bonds with the gel, so I like to apply it even though I'm doing like gel overlays. Even though I'm not doing hard gel, even though I'm doing like gel overlays, I like to use this product. Then we are ready for applying the base coat gel, which is called foundation in the gelish line. It has a thicker consistency, so a little goes a long way. And one of the demarcation when a pro does our nail is, and when a normal person DIY it, is that the nail pro applies gel products in a very thin layer. Doing it that way, it has more benefits. For one, you don't drown your cuticles with the gel, and they don't die while they're there. And when it's thin, it's easier to control the product on the nail. I am not a nail tech, but I have been doing my nails for ages now, and these are some of the tips I have accumulated over the years trying to perfect my craft. Now we dry the foundation using an LED light lamp for 60 seconds. My nail lamp is from Melody. I will link all the products that I'm using in the description below. After the nail drying time is up, we wipe off the sticky layer using the nail surface cleaner. We can now see how shiny our nail have gotten. Sometimes it makes me feel to live it that way. Because I do my own manicures, I do my one hand after the other. So now I will do my right hand. If you are at the early stages of doing your nails, you might find polishing the dominant hand nails a bit difficult, but I promise you, you will get better at it on every manicure you conquer. So keep practicing. I am doing what I've done so far, so it's repetition. All of my nails best coat gel are done, which I call step 1 in this process. So moving to step 2, which is a fun step, is choosing a nail polish color. I have some nail wheels here with polishes that I already have. I want to have a neon green nails, as I have said earlier. The nail wheel helps me in imagining what the polish color will look like on my hand by fitting my finger underneath it. You can also do traditional spring colors like corals and pinks. I'm using regular nail polish that we all have in our homes, not the colored gel polishes, by the way. The nail polish I chose is from LA Colors. I am applying my first coat of nail polish and let the first coat dry. Because I want to dry faster, I'll be using a nail dryer that is mini and cute. Look at it, it's so cute. My nail fan dryer is also from Melody. And now I'm applying the second coat of my nail polish to get my desired color intensity. By the way, incorporating normal nail polishes in the gel system is called the sandwich gel technique by Nail Techs, because you get to sandwich in the regular nail polish between gel polishes. All my nail polishes are dry now. Look at the color, it's so vibrant. A pro tip is to make that nail polish is fully dry before moving to the next step of sealing it with a gel top coat. We do this to prevent our nail designs from wrinkling. Yeah, I know, nails wrinkling sounds funny, but they do wrinkle in the sandwich technique if the nail polish is not well dry. But if you are curious, you can try and see what wrinkles look like by doing the opposite of what I've just advised on your toes, so that like they won't see the light of the day. Moving to the final step, which is step 3, we apply our gel top coat, which is called Top It Off in the Gelish brand, and just like the foundation, a little goes a long way. Then we put our hands in the nail lamp for 60 seconds, and then we wipe the sticky residue with a nail surface cleaner. Look how shiny they look. Now is the time for cuticle care by applying a cuticle oil, which is named Nourish by the Gelish brand. We apply it first on the top of the nail and wipe it with a tablecloth, or wipe it with a cotton swab for extra shine. Then we apply the cuticle oil on its proper place on the cuticles to intensely moisturize them. Finally, apply a hand cream of your favorite hand cream. The one I'm using is from Clarins. It's called Hand and Nail Treatment Cream. Your gel polish is flawless as can be. So I don't get gel overlays at the nail salon. I do my own gel overlays, changing it up every week or so and get my feminine creative juices flowing. I do this while watching Netflix once a week or so, as I've said, and I get like 30 or to 25 sets of nails in a year rather than getting 12 to 15 sets when getting gel overlays done at the nail salon. So my nails are never boring to me or an admirer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below of how you guys do your own nails. Love you guys. See you on my next video. If you're enjoying the pro tips, please subscribe to my channel.